If you searched how to buy shares of Oxford Industries, Inc., this video will show a practical walkthrough. Oxford Industries is a U.S. apparel company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker OXM. This is an educational guide, not investment advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will typically need to verify your account with an ID document and add funds before buying. Use the platform search box and type the ticker OXM to find Oxford Industries. Make sure you select the correct NASDAQ listing for the company. On the stock page, you can review basic company information and view the price chart. Confirm the name, exchange, and OXM ticker to ensure this is the correct asset. Click Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to purchase, then review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued to execute when markets open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description below if you want to review the platform used in this guide.